Every financial reliant person has a side hustle. So if you want to attain financial freedom, you must have a side hustle. And I am going to share 10 side hustling ideas to get you started. The late Anais 9 once said, "Good things happen to those who hustle, and no one should dispute that." Let's face it. Self-made billionaires like Jeff Bezos, Warren Buffett, Larry Ellison, Mark Zuckerberg, and Bill Gates had to hustle to get where they are. They didn't rise one morning and found billions of dollars in their accounts. So, hustling is an essential process of attaining financial freedom, and everyone has to start somewhere. But first, let's understand what a side hustle is. A side hustle is any venture that makes you money outside your 9-to-5 job. So your paycheck is not a side hustle or a small business that you run from 9 to 5. Side hustles are for everyone who wants to make money on top of their regular income. But still, it also includes students who wish to make money when they are not in school. Truth be told, we all could use some extra bucks. You could pay a debt, make a bill purchase, save up, or even invest. Now that you understand what a side hustle is, how about I inspire you with 10 ideas that are not capital intensive but irrefutably lucrative. But before that, if you are new here, consider subscribing to this channel to continue receiving great videos like this. And also check in the description below some excellent resources that will change your life from good to the life you deserve. Here we go. Number 1. Get up to $4,000 a month freelancing. Can you write, transcribe, or proofread? How about managing people's social media accounts or creating websites or even graphic designs? You can do so much in your free time as a freelancer and earn up to $4,000 a month. Look at it this way. An online writer, for example, can make $50 to $100 working for 2 to 4 hours depending on writing skills. If you work for 20 days a month, you'll earn $1,000 to $4,000 a month by your estimation. Note, however, services like web design, graphic design, videography, copywriting, and social media consultancy pay much more, which means you can make more than $4,000 a month. Now, are you interested in freelance work? Then visit websites like Upwork, Guru, Simply Hired, Fiverr, People Per Hour, or Craigslist to get your next side hustle. Number 2. Pocket $600 a month as a delivery driver. In a world of fast foods, so many people rely on food delivery services to supply them with ready-to-eat foods. Others are too lazy to go out and get groceries, or they just don't have the time, so they too turn to grocery delivery services. That has seen companies like DoorDash, Shipt, Instacart, and Uber Eats look for delivery drivers regularly. So if you have a car and don't mind delivering food or groceries, sign up with a delivery service. You can pocket up to $20 an hour. So if you do an hour daily, you could easily make $600 a month. Number 3. Earn up to $1,000 as a ride-sharing driver. If you don't fancy carrying food in your car, how about you deliver people instead? Many people depend on ride-sharing services like Lyft and Uber to get around, and that's where you come in. You can sign up with any of these services to share your ride when going to work or coming back home, or whenever you are not working. On an average, you can make up to $1,000 a month, which is not bad for a side hustle. The best part about ride-sharing is choosing when to respond to client calls and when not to. And since you drive different people, the job offers you a fantastic opportunity to turn some into friends or meaningful contacts. Number 4. Receive up to $20 an hour teaching ESL. So many people in China and other non-English speaking countries look for tutors who can teach English as a second language, better known as ESL. So if you are a fluent native English speaker with a bachelor's degree, you can give ESL a chance. On an average, you can make up to $20 an hour, and you can commit as many hours as you want. One of the leading ESL platforms is VIP Kid. Others include Magic Years, English First, Cambly, and Q Kids. Number 5. Walk dogs for $10 to $20 an hour. Your love for dogs could be your best hustle if you start to walk dogs in your spare time. Many dog owners look for people to exercise their animal friends by walking with them around the park. The Depending on the client, you can make $10 to $20 an hour. And if you want to make more, you can pet sit the dogs. A platform like Rover connects you with the pet owners near you who will pay very well. Other than Rover, you can get dog walking gigs on Craigslist and social media. And if you prefer doing things the old school way, you can walk to dog owners in your neighborhood to inquire about the job. Number 6. Babysit for $10 to $20 an hour. Your motherly instincts could also make you some money in your free time if you choose to work as a babysitter. Depending on the client, you can make $10 to $20 an hour as a babysitter. You wouldn't have to struggle to look for clients as you can find them within the community. They could be your friends, neighbors, fellow congregants, or extended family members. And if you cannot find anyone around you or are too shy to ask, you can use a platform like Care.com, TrustedHouseSitters.com, or Craigslist. Like most hustles in this video, you can build long-term relationships with clients if you impress them with your work. Number 7. Flip items for profit online. How about you put your buying and selling skills to better use? I'm talking about buying items, especially old items, for cheap. Improve them a bit and then sell them at a profit. That's what item flipping are all about, and you don't need the whole day to do it. Some of the best things to flip from home and make massive profits include furniture, power tools, home appliances, farm machinery, sports equipment, baby gear, and exercising equipment. But where can you find items to flip online? Facebook Marketplace is a great platform to check. Other options include Craigslist, eBay, thrift store, and yard sales. Number 8. Start a dropshipping business. Did you know that you can sell products to customers directly without owning the inventory? That's right, you don't need to buy stocks to sell them, which means you don't need any capital to do dropshipping. Since there is no capital investment, the risks are much lower. And do you know what the best part is? Well, the manufacturer or product suppliers packages and ships the product to the customer. You probably are asking, where do I come in? And how do I make money? You come in as a marketeer. So your job is to advertise the job online, wait for orders to come in, and then pass them on to the manufacturer or supplier for fulfillment. Here comes the money part. You need to quote the retail price to the customer, and when they pay, you pass the wholesale amount to the supplier as you keep the difference. Number 9. Do odd tasks for $10 to $20 an hour. How about you put those muscles to work and make a few dollars in your free time? Many people need help doing different jobs like moving, cleaning, yard work, running errands, home installations, among many others. One fantastic platform for getting these gigs is TaskRabbit. You can also check the jobs on Handy.com, Craigslist, and Amazon Home Services. The beautiful thing about the side hustle is that you can pick what you can do and when to do it, and you can set your rates. And there is also the likelihood of getting regular calls from the same client when you impress them. Number 10. Earn up to $1,000 or more from blogging. Last but not least, you can launch a blog to start making passive income. Most bloggers I know make $1,000 or more a month with only a few making less. I also make money blogging, and I highly recommend it. With a profitable blog, you can earn through affiliate marketing where you receive commissions from recommending products that lead to sales. For example, you can receive up to 10% commission as an Amazon affiliate. Besides affiliate marketing, you can earn by selling physical products on your blog or even ebooks or audiobooks. You can also earn via paid ads, where you can sign up with Mediawine, Ezoic, or Google AdSense. So, are you ready to try blogging? Bluehost has a fantastic basic package for you. For only $2.95 a month, you can have a Bluehost host your blog and get a free domain. Check this offer in the description below. As I sign out, I trust you got inspired by the side hustle ideas I've just shared. You can thus go ahead and implement one or two and see how things go. Hopefully, it will be the beginning of an enterprising journey. Here is another excellent video for you. How to make extra money with a full-time job. Until next time, take care.